Hold up, did you know that some high-performance Nike shoes are made in part from what used to be factory waste? That pile of rubber scraps, fabric offcuts, and old soles isn't the end of the story. It's the beginning. That material can turn into something sleek and futuristic, like the Nike Space Hippie sneaker you'd actually want to wear. This idea sits at the center of Nike's sustainability push, called Move to Zero. The goal is straightforward: move towards zero waste and zero carbon. One of the key tools making that possible is Nike Grind. Instead of tossing leftover manufacturing scraps, Nike collects them and grinds them down into tiny, colorful pellets. No magic tricks here, just smart design giving materials a second life. So how do those pellets become real performance gear? They're mixed and molded into parts of shoes you use every day, like midsoles and outsoles. These components stay durable and supportive while reducing the need for brand new raw materials. And that speckled look you sometimes see on the sole, that's not decoration. It's a visible trace of recycled material doing real work. What's even cooler is that Nike Grind doesn't stop at shoes. The same recycled material shows up under your feet in gym flooring, where it absorbs impact during workouts. It's used in playground surfaces that kids jump and run on every day. It even appears across entire fitness spaces, proving this stuff can handle serious wear. So next time you lace up your sneakers or step into a gym, remember this: what once looked like useless scrap is now part of products built for movement, performance, and everyday life. Move to Zero shows that progress doesn't have to feel abstract or preachy. Sometimes it looks like a better shoe, a tougher floor, and a smarter way forward, all made from materials that refuse to be wasted. For more sustainable tech in 2 minutes, subscribe to EcoLogic and join the conversation. Let's make sense of the logic behind the eco.